Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystem.com, making this a small video as a weekly recap and trades taken and couple of setups, good setups for the last week. So let's get started. This is the on the 17th. The week started on the 17th. So this is the first trade, gold 20-minute chart. All the trades you will see on the left hand side, the yellow mark, buy or sell order, and SL break to move in, break even plus, right? Move. And if this is like the starting 23.25 down to 23.17, right? And all the trades you will see everything according to the setup. There has to be four conditions, and once they're met, my alarm beeps and it takes if auto robot in place, then it takes open the trade automatically. This is a buy order on euro yen for 80 pip from 7-minute chart. This is pound yen also from 7-minute chart going for 75 pip on the 17th. On the 18th, this was on the 17th, but then again on the 18th. This one actually 17, there was no entry, but 18, it gave me the entry here. And then how much? 95, right? And buy orders right there. US oil had not much, but something, right? From 79.47 to 80.43 on the 18th. And pound Aussie, 85 pip, short trade here, short entry all the way down to this S3, the daily S3. This is sell orders right there. Right, and pound Aussie, actually, you can, this was another day of the same trade. No, this is the same trade from my, this is from the 7-minute chart, Omer computer, my son's account. He also, placed the trade here, there. And Euro Aussie for 60 pip. At the same time, Aussie was getting strong. Euro Aussie, Omer's computer, that is his entry and trade, 75 pip all the way to the downside. When he sees that I'm taking the entry, he also, try to take that. US 30, beautiful trade from here to there on the 18th. And you can use the system to trade indices, gold, oil, anything at all. You can find or open the chart on MT4. Pound yen from 20-minute chart, 70 pip, buy orders right there. Japan's Nikkei on the 19th to the downside. And pound yen again on the 20th going to the upside. This is opened by the EA. CTS 5. Again, the USD yen also going up 100 pip right there. This is right there is the buy order. SL move to break even plus 10 pip of something. Now this one S&P 500, beautiful, going to the upside all the way. And this is Bitcoin. Now the last week somebody was, there's a lot of requests, but for someone especially, I decided to open this and then had to do some research. I'm still researching, but finding the best brick size. But I found one, and then this is all the way going to the upside. The downside gave last week. It gave very, very good entries, but unfortunately, I took off the this EA and I didn't get anything. But the entries were there, good short entries. Anyway, so euro yen 85 going to the upside here. And this one also gold going to the upside on the basis of my harmonic pattern. And then CAD yen on the 20th, big trade all the way there for 105 pip. This one is again US 30 going to the upside. This is from the 40-minute chart. So it's a big trade basically. 38,832 to 39,101. And here's 30, pound USD, 75 pip to the downside. I was expecting that it should go to the upside, but the news came out and then pound started to get weaker. USD strong, boom, came down. That's why it's very important that you pay attention to the news, even though you have a very good setup. Doesn't matter, daily 4 hour, you have a very good setup, like a bullish setup that you think that it's just must go to the upside. But if the news comes out of the opposite direction, boom, it's gonna drop. So be careful. Pound CAD, nice trade because CAD was getting strong and pound was weak. So 120 pip right from there all the way down. And 21st gold, right? The gold chart. I made a gold video. You see that, how beautifully that Berkeley pattern started to drop. I had this entry, I had this entry, and I had this entry. This was on my son computer. You see that? This is the second one. And where the heck? Okay, I think I recorded a couple of times. So this one, and then, okay, this is both are the same. Then this is the second one, right? And then this is the third one, 75. This is zero cat, buddy. What's up? Okay, let me see. This is the first one, this is the second one, and the third one supposed to be this one. And okay, gold. One of the gold one is missing. Maybe later on it's gonna come down, come out. I recorded later. This is Euro CAD, and then this is pound yen going to the upside for 65. Maybe now the gold. Yeah, see, this is the one that Omer take it, and usually you see the sign here that this says the symbol. I write always like gold 20-minute, and he uses the symbol. His computer is already default symbol, so. This is the third one, the three nice trades to the downside. New Zealand yen going to the upside for 65 pips. So these are the trades, nice and clean. And now a couple of nice setup. One of them is gold. Like gold daily chart this is the one that I made that we have A, B, and then C. For wave 4, we're going to be coming down a little bit below A, and that would be an expanded flat complete. And then we go for wave 5 and wave 3. But right now, what's happening here? Look at that. 1, 2, 3. And then we were here when I made the chart. So we went up a little bit, then came down, went up. And then last week, Friday, was coming down powerfully. And then a little bit more. And we will reach the target for wave 4. Right? And after that, it will probably go to the upside. Right? And then we will wait and see if it makes the turn, when it makes the turn. And then when you start to go to the upside, give me the long setup on our 20-minute chart. Yes, then we'll start taking the long entries. Another one that I want to show is yen USD yen monthly chart. Look at that. So a couple of weeks ago, we hit this number 60-40, and that's what I made the chart that we're gonna hit that and then drop big time, and that was the target going to the upside. And I had a lot of long trades, right? So we hit that 60-40, and then we dropped back to this high here, which is 52. So, and after that, slowly we're dragging again to the upside, right? And we are very close right now. Again, we closed last week on 159.78. So 60-40 is right on the corner. And what happened the first time we went there, Bank of Japan came in and did the intervention 3 times, right? And then that's why we went down to 152 again. Now, either they're going to come down and again and then do the intervention to prevent this to break, or if this thing is going to break, then we have this next. So this thing is going to fly big time here if we break that, and if they don't come and intervene, right? So pay attention to this very, very closely. And like I said, that the other one was like USD. Okay, now yen index, for that matter, then let me show you yen index chart that I have. We are very close to this huge, like a resistance level. If you have wave 1, 2, and then this 127 FE extension and expansion, and then this is extension from X to A. B, C, D is 127. It's right there. So 74.23, 74.37. Both numbers are coming very close to each other, and we are now, we closed the week last week, 73.94. So we are very close to this target, and this can, if they come in and do the intervention, yes, we can drop from there. Right. So let's see what happened. Very critical condition, and I have to be. But why? Because, if yen index, you can carry the yen direction. If you understand that, okay, yen is going to drop this week, all yen pair are going to be dropping, and then you can just go short, short, short all week long. Okay. Now, this one, USD, US dollar index, and when it was here, when I made the chart, that's going to drop. If we hold below 1753, it's going to drop. So drop, but then For several weeks, we are doing ranging, and the last week it started to go up a little bit. So I have targets on both sides. If we continue to go to the upside, which this one, let's see, 15.99, if you break and go above that, then we can go back to 17.53. If we hold that again, then we have a chance to drop. And all that depend on the fundies, what kind of fundie we're going to get. And we will see accordingly, right? So last week I made the chart that 1546 is the key number. If you go above that, then we can go here, but then we have to take out this 15.99 very, very clean. And once we take it out cleanly, then we can go to 17.53. If not, then if the funding come out again, bad, it's going to drop, right? That's been happening, good, bad, good, bad, good, bad, and then it's just ranging into this area. All right, so let's see what happened. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And I'll see you maybe in another video. Until then, have a very, very wonderful weekend.